I've been seeing a lot of things about Wicked lately, and the vision I had in my head did not turn out. I'm gonna redo it. I've been recently trying things like Color Grip Primer. I'm going to be putting it on, and I'm really hoping it lasts longer than 5 seconds. If I could touch this and it doesn't smudge or anything happens, that means it's dry and it's ready for base coat. I'm trying to do all that I can to help this last longer. I messed up my base coat. I don't know how, but I touched it, and now it has these little lumpy lumps in it. It's irritating. Adding more base coat. That has to fix it. I'm gonna wait till it dries and see if it still has little lumps on it. When are you going to dry? It's taking forever. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will be. Okay, anyway, I think my nails are dry. Let us start by painting these 2 fingers green. I'm going to hope that it turns out better than my last design, because my last design was nasty. You want to not go all the way to the cuticle. Pull down gently, wrap the tip, and bam. So I just put acetone on this brush, wiped off just a little bit on a paper towel so that it wouldn't flood it with acetone, and clean up any of the areas that are kind of messy looking. By the way, oh no, look what I did. Look what I did. Oh, okay. I licked my finger. I'm gonna see if I can fix this. I've flattened it out enough where, like, when I add another coat, hopefully that'll be covered up. My pinky is always a hot mess whenever I paint it, so I need to clean it up. Oh, look at that. I cleaned up too much, and so I have a huge gap. Oh my God. Oh, I must have a cut under there. Ooh, that burns. I'm gonna do another coat of green. Oh my God! Why? I'm painting one more coat of this as well. Oh my God. Can't believe I'm gonna post this. I am struggling. Ow, I forgot I had a cut in there. Ow! Oh! Owie, owie, ow, 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 ow. Get ready for da 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 gradient. I'm gonna use liquid latex to protect my skin so I don't have as much to clean up. Slather, slather my skin. I'm gonna use this black shiny stuff. It's got little glitters in it, but it's black, and I'm gonna do a combination gradient with the green I've already used as the base color. I want the top part of my nail to be black and the bottom part to be green. Now I'm gonna take this and dab. Dab, 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 dab. And I have to do a few layers of this. And I'm just going to slowly peel this off and hope it doesn't whip back, because then it messes up the artwork. Beep. I'm gonna cut off the top portion. I'm gonna be doing a light shimmery color and a darker pink. Elphaba Glinda. Elphaba Glinda. I'm a witch and I'm a witch. Which is which? I could potentially just leave it like this, but it's not enough for me. I need more. More. When putting on top coat. I'm a witch and I'm a witch. Which is which and something something. Oh, I already nicked this. Look at that. Do you see that little bubble? So I'm gonna use white acrylic paint and a striping brush. I have so much crap on this table. Stop sliding. Go straight. I'm attempting to draw a wand. My brush is weird. Okay, hold on. I gotta fix my brush. Oh, you still have nail polish on you. You silly goober goobs. Why are you the way that you are? I don't like how thick that is, so I need to wipe that off. I can't do it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's draw some booblies. Oh my god. I probably shouldn't be using this brush. Okay, that doesn't look good. I'm gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna see if I can do it with a teeny tiny dotting tool. Oh, that's still too thick. Hold on. Oh. It doesn't look good, but it's a bubble. Okay, I don't like that. I'm just gonna get a slightly bigger dotting tool and I'm just gonna make white bubbles and then I'll put like some glitters in them. So what I'm gonna use is this, a dotting tool in the middle. I'm going to take the same striping brush I was using before and attempt to put the glitters on the white part of the wand. And I think because it's like clear glitters, it's okay if it's not perfect and just glitters everywhere. This silvery polish and attempt to make it look better, right? Look more shimmery, look more thick, look more like sparkly, give it dimension, you know, trying to do things. A lot of times when you do the nail art, you gotta have the struggles. It's gotta look like crap before it can look really good. I might just cover up that silver with this white because it wasn't looking good. Sometimes when you make big mistakes, you gotta fix it. Now I'm gonna add a bit more glitters. I also get to this point in every nail art where I'm like, all right, I don't care anymore. This is supposed to represent her wand. Is it perfect? No, but it's good enough. This is a really light pink acrylic paint, so it's not just white. It looks like it's reflecting something. Can you even tell? Now I'm gonna take the holographic glitters I was using and add that to my bubbles. I'm gonna use black acrylic paint. Oh my god, oh, look what I did. Look what I did. I got black acrylic paint all over because I was shaking up the black paint. And then I opened it and shook it some more. It's all over. Luckily for us, acrylic paint comes off with water. You got the points of the hat. It goes like up like that. And then the other side goes down. Now let's do some bites. Yeah, buddy. I might need to like do some sort of green outline thingy. Let's give these guys a little eyeballs. Why? Because I just can't leave well enough alone. Yeah, my bats have little eyes. Woo! Okay, let's figure out what we're doing with this monstrosity. We're gonna use this spiral thing. It's gonna represent the clock like I originally wanted to do with my other fingers. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Liquid latex. And by the way, if you're wondering how long this is taking, right now it has been 2 hours and 22 minutes since I started. Excuse me. I will be back because this is really hard to do on camera. Oh, decent. All right, everyone, now it's time for Topcoat. Oh, there's a cat here. Guys, look at this. I have cuticle oil on and my nails look so much better than they did at the beginning. This took me 2 hours and 40 minutes. I hope you had a good time. I enjoyed doing this very much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!